Hello everyone, welcome to our channel where we explore the latest advancements in technology and their impact on our world. Today, we have a truly exciting topic to talk about: the creation of an avatar using only AI. The idea of avatars has been around for a long time, with early depictions of them in popular culture being found in video games, movies, and other forms of media. But what if I told you that we're now at a point in technology where we can create avatars that are entirely artificial, made by AI algorithms? This new form of avatar is created using a combination of computer vision, natural language processing, and deep learning algorithms. These AI-powered avatars have the ability to interact with users in a human-like manner, using speech, gestures, and facial expressions. The implications of such technology are truly staggering. With AI avatars, we can create virtual assistants that can help us with tasks, provide customer service, and even be used as educational tools. The possibilities are truly endless, and we're only just scratching the surface of what this technology can do. In this video, we will dive into the creation process of an AI avatar and take a look at some of the most exciting applications of this technology. So sit back, relax, and join us as we explore the world of AI avatars. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it. We're always exploring new and exciting topics in the world of technology, and we don't want you to miss out on any of the action.
So, for the final part of the tutorial, we're gonna mix the two videos I've made in the previous weeks. The first one with ChatGPT and the second one with MidJourney. Here are the tips and the direct link to the videos. So what we want to do first is to generate a text that our avatar is gonna say. So let's say on ChatGPT, you see here these basic prompts you can add. I've added an extension called RPRM, which is available on Firefox and Chrome, I think too. And these extensions are very useful sometimes. For instance, if you don't know how to write a great prompt for MidJourney, you have one from community and you can create your own prompt and asking it to complete. But for this tutorial, I'm gonna just type it my way. So I'm gonna say, as a YouTuber, write me an introduction about an avatar being made only with AI. This text has to be for instance, let's say 200 words. So let's see what ChatGPT has for us. So it's saying, hello everyone, welcome to our channel where we explore the latest advancements in advanced technology and so on. I'm gonna type before it ends, add a phrase about subscribing this channel and giving them a pass. So we get our full text, the first to answer. I don't know, maybe you're gonna say merge the last two answers together. So once it's gonna generate a mix of the phrase together, let's discover a site called the ID. I'm using that one because you can use it to generate your own AI. All you need to do is to create first an account, then go to create a video. You have free credits here with the trial and the 40-day trials. And if you want to spend more time with it, you can also subscribe. I'm gonna create my own video. So the most important thing with it, and that the reason why I was very careful at rendering images, is that since we generate here in our series the avatar, that's the one I used earlier, but what you can do, So here is the avatar we rendered on the previous video, and that's another one. You have to be very careful when generating to have the full subject in frame and facing the camera, since this one is gonna fail, since the AI will not be able to render and to understand very easy how the eyes are. Let's try. So here is the AI, the ID. You can see the previous avatar I've generated on the first video, and I will have tried to add another one. So as I told you, it's very important here to be careful when generating your avatar, because for instance that one, it's gonna be hard for the AI to find the eyes and the mouth and to animate it correctly. Let's say we're gonna use our script here, copy paste here, and we're gonna use them for instance an English language, an English speaker, name use it as Eric. And sometimes the AI will have bad rendering here with the eye. I do prefer using facing subject, sometimes for like this one, to render and to use it as a video. So as you saw, I copied and pasted here the script generated with AI, but you could also use and upload your own voice, and it will make the content realistic and matching the subject. So let's use for now the transcript of it. I'm gonna just maybe change for JSON, and once you've happy with the reading, here is the output. And once you're happy with the audio, the voice, and so on, all you need to do is to create here the generate video button. It will take some time to process, and you see all the credits you have left. The whole video is going to make 1 minute and 41 seconds, and let's say generate. So we'll have to wait a little bit of time to the AI to render, but things are actually pretty fast to do for a 1 minute and 41 second of video. So once it's complete, you can check here the result. So as you can see, the whole face is moving, and that's pretty impressive. Even the air are moving too. You have your 1 minute and 40 seconds here. The watermark down here can be easily removed. I will show you in the next part of the tutorial if you want to remove it. And I'm really impressed by the way AI is using. So please use it carefully. For instance, you can use any star that you like and make it tell whatever you say, but be careful with such powerful tools, because don't mess around with others. So once we are happy with the result, all you need to do is to download it. So it's gonna render finally the video.
Hello everyone, welcome to our channel where we explore the latest advancements in technology and their impact on our world.
So let's go back to our final part of the tutorial. If, for instance, if you want to do a vertical interaction with your avatar, let's say avatar vertical. So I'm gonna use a 1080p project. All I need to do is then go back to the Finder and bring back my animated subject. Sorry. So here is my subject. The only main concern for now is that it's rendering 1:1 aspect ratio avatar, but you can fill the gap behind using Photoshop, generating the background that you need. Just to show you how to remove very quickly the watermark if you don't want it, all you need to do is to put above your subject the main image you use, then go here, select a mask. Sorry, let's say I want to draw it, and I just want this part of the mask to be applied. So if we render it once again, the watermark is removed, and you can see there is any on it. So that's very simple just to remove it. If you want to just use the background and create a better one, all you need to do is just to, as I said, use Photoshop to render a proper background, or use an avatar with a white one or a black one, and that's going to be easier for you to fix in the final part. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to tag me on Instagram or here on YouTube with the avatar you've created. I hope this tutorial is helping you, and I will see you next week in the next video.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it. We're always exploring new and exciting topics in the world of technology, and we don't want you to miss out on any of the action.
I hope you enjoyed the video. Once again, if you do like my content, please subscribe here on my YouTube channel, turn on the bell, and follow me on Instagram to see all the content you can make with Joel. Stay tuned.